In his 50 years in the fine arts industry, Glenn Vilppu has gained fame for his Renaissance approach to drawing and painting. He is represented in collections throughout the US, Canada, and Europe, and has put on over 20 one-man shows. His traditional observational techniques for teaching and drawing have become the standard for professional artists everywhere. In this series, Glenn takes the New Masters Academy team out of the studio and into various environments for on-location landscape and figure drawing. He demonstrates techniques for drawing with gouache, graphite, and fountain pen.
In these lessons, we're dealing with this great landscape back here. A lot of times you can draw and do works anywhere. The first two lessons are dealing with point-to-point and then thumbnails. You never really know what your picture is going to be until you've done thumbnails. Anybody can do a point-to-point. There's no limitations to that. It's just being careful, learning to look and to see two-dimensionally.